It's birthday 2018. So happy. I have been blessed with what I think could be one of the nicer presents that anybody could get. Totally unexpected. Not without a little planning, I must be honest. But here I am at the Iberostar Grand Rose Hall in Montego Bay, Jamaica. And yes, I did say grand. Grand treatment, grand accommodation with my travel buddy. If we can ever find him, if we can ever get him on camera, that would be nice. But of course, we take it however we get it. Just finishing up my cup of cappuccino. Butler surprised me with champagne. You know, I'm really getting spoiled, you know, at the rate at which I'm going. I don't know. And of course, this wonderful greeting was lining my door when I got in from the spa. Happy birthday. Very nice. You know, I never take these gestures for granted. I think they're very, very wonderful, very nicely thought out touches. Oh my goodness, I know you will like this bathroom. And I'm liking it too. So, just so that you know, it's a grand life here at the Iberostar Grand Resort. Just got back from the spa. Plan to be there again tomorrow. Love all that makes the amenity kit special. And just love it. You know, very good. We've got a fully stocked minibar. And being a grand guest, it's replenished daily. So today we had white chocolate. I guess my travel buddy took that away. Yesterday we had black chocolate or dark chocolate. Along with that, we've got some salted peanuts and some pretzels. Nice bottle of Merlot. Can't live without the Jamaican Blue Mountain Gourmet Coffee. Well, in this case, this is Baron Hall. And of course, when do I ever get to consume all of this? Oh my goodness, Red Stripe and Heineken and juices and all kind of stuff. Just thought I'd share that with you. I'm gonna get some sleep. It's about 4 or 5 o'clock in the evening. I have I can't remember the term. I'll tell you later. I've got this wonderful dinner. The word just slipped me. Gonna sleep and be ready for dinner later, and we'll tell you all about it.